Okay, this your girl Trivium. Today I'm going to be making some grilled cheese. You're going to need your mayo, your butter, your cheese of your choice, your slices of bread. First, on one side of the pieces of bread, you're going to layer butter on one side of the bread on both slices. Okay, now you're going to flip your bread over and get the mayonnaise of your choice. Right now, I have the real mayonnaise. They also have the light version. So you're going to spread that on the opposite side of what you did the butter, thin layer as possible. This will help it to get the crunch that you want on your slices of bread. Yes. Okay, y'all see me struggling. But anyways, yes. So now we're going to the bread back over on the butter side, and we're going to place your cheese. Remember, on the butter side. This is the cheese I'm using today, but you can use any kind of cheese you want. Fresh cheese, shredded cheese, whatever kind of cheese you prefer. This also will work with ham and cheese if you wanted to do like a sandwich type of grilled cheese. Also, I wanted to try to do the macaroni. It's something I did with macaroni and grilled cheese. But if you would like to see that, leave a comment down below if you want to see me do it with the macaroni and cheese. Okay, so now we're going to put them on top of each other. It's going to be going to the skillet. Make sure your skillet is on low heat. Well, I got a gas skillet, so make sure it's low as possible. The last notch or the second to the last notch, if you got it. If you got an electric stove, then yes, low heat. So we're going to let that steam. I counted to around about 10 to 10 on both sides. Since my skillet was already hot, it kind of crisped the other side a little more. So, yes. So I'm gonna get ready to flip this over. And see that? It's crispy. You hear me? Crispy. But when I flipped it, my slice of bread went over a little bit, but it's okay. It's still gonna get ate. You see me trying to fix it, and I was like, forget it. So count to 10 again, or not even 10, because the cheese pretty much melted. You just trying to get that crisp on the other side of the bread. So I hope y'all like these videos, cooking videos. If y'all would like to see me do more cooking videos, then let me know. And I will give it to y'all, okay? I might not gonna be in the videos all the time, but yes. So I'm gonna take it out. I gotta count to 10. I'm gonna take it out, put it on my plate. Remember to pat down. I'm finna plate it. Remind y'all I am using one hand for the camera and one hand to the, so bear with me. And I'm trying not to drop my food. You see that cheese on that side? Oof. Now I'm finna cut it down the middle. Finna cut it down the middle for y'all can see it. And please do not judge me. Yes, this is the same plate I just put the butter on. And yes, I'm trying to figure out which way I want to cut it. Like it really matter, because if it was just me, I wouldn't have cut it at all. I would have just ate it like a sandwich. But since I'm showing y'all, I was trying to show y'all, you know, the finished product. And yes, I do know it's not in the camera. But anyways, I hope y'all like this video. If y'all would like to see me do more cooking videos, let me know. Or you like to see my family do cooking videos, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. I can't say it enough. Subscribe. Your girl is coming back stronger than ever. Don't forget to love yourself, love your family, and love the one above.